guys, welcome to today's video. So I have 3 Aveeno products that I would like to review with all of you, and these 3 are from the Calm and Restore line. So I do have the cleanser as well as the serum and the gel moisturizer. Now I believe the Calm and Restore line has been out for a little while, especially in the United States and perhaps other countries around the world. But here in Canada, specifically Ontario, I spotted this at my local drugstore 2 months ago for the first time. And I believe that's when we finally received the Calm and Restore line. So we're always late to the game with new product launches here in Canada. I have no idea why this is. It's very, very frustrating because you see everybody with a new skincare launch, or let's say a makeup launch, and us Canadians are sitting here like, when are we going to get that product? When can we try that? So it's very frustrating, but I'm glad that Canada finally has the Calm and Restore line, and I'm very, very excited about it. So if you would like to learn more about these 3 products and my experience with them, then please keep on watching. Alright, so before the Aveeno Calm and Restore line launched, I had tried a few products from Aveeno before, and we're going back several years now, and I wasn't too impressed with the products that I did pick up, and I never thought to venture out and try anything else because I just didn't really have a good experience with the products I picked up. I really didn't notice anything different with my skin, and I just didn't love them. But when the Calm and Restore line launched, I was immediately intrigued because of the formulation and the ingredients that they contain. And the #1 ingredient is colloidal oatmeal. Now, I've talked about this ingredient before on my channel. I've also shared some products that I currently own that have colloidal oatmeal in the ingredient list. And this ingredient is fabulous to calm and to soothe the skin. There are so many properties to colloidal oatmeal that benefit the skin in so many ways. And it doesn't matter what type of skin type you have, whether you have oily, combination to acne prone skin, or you're somebody with sensitive dry skin, you can still use products with colloidal oatmeal. Now, colloidal oatmeal contains a lot of lipids, which really helps to strengthen your skin barrier. It also contains antioxidants, which will help to protect your skin from environmental stressors throughout the day caused by pollution. And there's a lot of humectant properties to oatmeal as well. So it really helps to keep that hydration in, and it really helps to give a plumper look to your skin as well. So let's talk about the Nourishing Oat Cleanser. Now, this is very gentle, very soothing and calming on the skin, and I do find that this works really well to keep your skin moisturized. This does not lather up, so you're not going to feel stripped, and your skin is also not going to feel tight after you've rinsed it off. Now, with cleansers, I feel like there are so many cleansers out there, and they're not the most exciting products to talk about because these are not left on the skin for too long to really do something beneficial to the skin. So if you have a cleanser that you absolutely love at home right now, you don't necessarily need to run out and pick this up. I do think that this is calming and gentle. I do feel like this would be amazing for rosacea, eczema, and if you are somebody that gets a lot of in-office treatments done like laser, chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or you're a tretinoin user, then I think that this cleanser will be really great to have on hand when you're experiencing irritation and dryness from those products and treatments. But other than that, this is just basic in my opinion. This does not remove makeup and sunscreen. So that's another reason why I think that this cleanser is a little bit basic, because it doesn't have the properties to it to really remove sunscreen and makeup. And I have tried using different types of sunscreens, different types of mascaras and makeup, and every time I used this as my first cleanse, I was not successful. I still had a lot of makeup and sunscreen left on my face, so I basically had to rinse my face off and then go in with a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm, loosen up everything, and then go back in with this. So it's perfect for double cleansing and for a morning cleanser, but to remove makeup and sunscreen, I just would not recommend it. It just does not do a very good job in that department. Another way that I like to use the cleanser is I like to use it as a mask. So when I'm experiencing a lot of dryness, I will dampen my face, apply a thick layer of the cleanser all over my face and my neck, and I will leave it on for a half an hour, maybe to an hour, and it really lets all of those ingredients penetrate into your skin, and it really helps to calm and soothe your skin as well. And when you rinse your face off, your skin feels absolutely incredible. It just feels so moisturized. So I really like doing that from time to time. So you have that option to do that as well, or you can just use it as a regular cleanser. But I would recommend it. I think that it's a lovely one and it's affordable, and you can find it at your local drugstore, of course. Moving on to the Triple Oat Serum, I think this is another great product. I do like this one better than the cleanser because, of course, this is a leave-on product. So this is going to be more beneficial in my opinion. This can be paired with so many skincare products without conflicts. So you can use it with tretinoin, your acids, your peptides, vitamin C. You can use this every day, twice a day. And I really like products like this where you don't have to think twice whether or not this is going to conflict with something. You can honestly pair this with so many things. Now, I really like to use this more so in the evening paired with tretinoin and my acids. It does a very good job to keep my skin hydrated, but it's also very gentle at the same time. So I can really appreciate that. And I just think that this is such a lovely product to have on hand whenever you're experiencing dryness and irritation. Now, the one thing that I don't like about this is the packaging. I think that it's very nice to look at, but I don't like the button on the top, because when you unscrew it and you push down on that button will bring in the product into the syringe, and I feel like when you dispense it on your hand, you're not getting enough product for your first application. You have to go back in and do it again, and I feel like you have to do that 2, 3, maybe 4 times before you get the amount that you want to apply to your face and your neck. So it's very time consuming. I don't like the packaging for that. I think it would have been better if it was in a pump packaging. I think that would have been a lot better and a lot quicker to use as well. But other than that, I do think it's a great product. So I will show you what this one looks like on the back of my hand. It's very similar to a hyaluronic acid texture in my opinion. It's a little bit more creamy, but this is not sticky or tacky. So it's very lightweight. It sits nice underneath your sunscreen and your makeup. And if you're somebody that hates that tacky, sticky feel that you get from hyaluronic acid, then you may really enjoy this. So that's what it looks like there. And of course it spreads really nice because of that nice texture. It does feel like water when you are applying it all over your face and your neck. It does absorb pretty quickly, so I do find that you have to work really fast to spread the product all over your face and your neck evenly. But like I said, it's very lightweight and it's not sticky at all. And the last product is the Oat Gel Moisturizer, which happens to be my favorite. I actually prefer this over the serum and the cleanser. Now, if you have oily, acne-prone skin, you may really love this moisturizer because it's a gel moisturizer. And when you have this skin type, gel moisturizers tend to be great because they're lightweight, they're not heavy, and they're not going to feel sticky on the skin either. So you will really enjoy this. And if you ever experience irritation from your blemishes, then this can really help to calm your skin down as well. So you do want to apply this to damp skin. You also want to apply the serum that I just mentioned on damp skin as well because of the humectant properties that are in here. And there are also some silicones in the formulation as well, which helps to prevent water loss. So you can use this in the morning as well as the evening. This actually sits very nice underneath sunscreen and makeup. And in the evening, I do like to put this on top of my tretinoin. And sometimes if I feel like this isn't hydrating enough, especially when I'm experiencing a lot of dryness, I will apply a separate moisturizer on top of this to really lock in the hydration from the oats and the ingredients that are in here. And that's another option that you can do if you're really dry and flaky. So overall, I think this is a lovely product. I would repurchase this again. I just really love the way that this feels on the skin, and I'm just really excited about it. So that's what it looks like there. A little bit goes a long way. The amount that I just applied on my hand, you could do your whole face with this and even bring that down your neck because it does spread very nice. It does absorb pretty quickly as well. It does feel like water, but a little bit thicker than that serum. This is non-sticky, non-tacky, no fragrance to this either, and it just feels wonderful on the skin. And oats can also help to regulate your skin's pH. So again, if you have eczema, rosacea, sensitive skin, your skin's inflamed, or you're just experiencing a lot of irritation, then these 3 products may be really great to incorporate in your skincare routine. So I really hope that you found today's video helpful. Again, you probably have already tried these products. Maybe you haven't. I would love to know if you have and if you like them, because I really like these. I think that these are great options, especially from the drugstore. They're affordable and they perform really well. So leave your comments below. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and I will see you guys then. Bye, guys.